Hey guys, Brian here from Solid Woodworks. So I just want to show you on this very last build that I have finished just yesterday. I'm heading back to Australia tomorrow. This is a Sprinter that a friend and I bought, and we wanted to kind of build it up and sell it to somebody who wanted a ready to go camper. So to begin with, on the outside here, I installed some windows. The side one here, these two back windows here, and also this side window here. I also rhino lined the entire bottom of the van there. I think it gives it a pretty good look. It also helps with rocks and different things kicking up. Looks really clean. We got a ladder and a rack installed on it. And if you can see, there's a solar panel up here as well. 100-watt Renogy solar panel. This window actually slides open. I'll show you that in the inside. But coming to the back of the van, I'll kind of show you and explain to you the setup that I built out. So first off, just on the side, nice little panels to replace those nasty gray ones. This one as well, cut around that, and I have a nice little pocket in here, so you can put some good stuff in there. So the build is about 95% done. I'm heading back to Australia, but my friend that I doing the project with is going to finish out doing some flooring and maybe paint the cabinets and stuff. But starting with the water system, over here we decided to put a small water system in, enough for a little sink and an outdoor shower, and nothing too big to where it's just gonna take a lot of room, but just enough. So we got a 6-gallon water tank in there. You can see I got my little 1.2 gallon per minute water pump back there. We've also got the outdoor shower right here. Only cold water, no hot water, because we didn't want to go through all the hassle doing a hot water heater and all that. Over here, I just made every little accessible place storage here, up in there, in here. This goes all the way through to the other part I'll show you in a little bit. Also had to do a couple different cutouts in the paneling for obviously the doors, how they shut like that. When I get inside, I'll explain to you the bed system a little better, but pretty much there's an E-track in the van already, and we decided to use that with these sockets, they're called. E-track sockets. You clip right in there. It's a pretty simple system with 3 2x4s. I put some pins in here so that these pieces of bed aren't moving. I also got another little latch here to keep them together so they're not moving around. Super handy. We paneled the entire inside of the van here with this 1/4-inch pine paneling. It looks really good, really easy to work with. Buy it at Home Depot. It's the second job I've used it on. I really enjoy it. So coming to the inside of the van, we wanted it to be pretty spacious, but still have a nice little counter space, as well as a sleeping space that wouldn't intrude to some of this little living area. And as you can see, there's quite a bit of area in here actually. And I try to make every single piece and area of this build with storage in it. So I'm gonna start showing you that. So under the seats here, storage. In there I've shown you storage. Under the seats, lots of storage. Behind the seat, more storage with a little magnetic catch so it shuts. There you go. Stays shut. Over here, as I was saying, we did do a little water system, and we have the sink here. Pretty small little 13-inch sink, but it works great because it's just got a nice little simple easy to use faucet on there. Down here there's your 6-gallon waste tank with a little drain down there, super easy. More storage down there. So we decided to go with a small fridge. Nothing that is too big and uses too much power, but just enough for somebody who's trying to do a little weekend camping. Or you can always keep it on, because actually this car does have, I installed a dual battery isolator, so the batteries charge when you're driving as well. But this is just a small fridge. Probably fit an 18-pack in there, something like that, or some waters, sandwiches, good things like that. Nothing too crazy. You could always throw an ice chest down here for some extra stuff. That works really nice. And then I decided to do one massive drawer here for all kinds of pots and pans and food and things like that. And then a smaller drawer up here, as well as the sink cutout. Fits right in there, super easy. Love it. And now to the electrical system. So I found this awesome control panel here that I really recommend. I will put a link to the bio. I put a link in the description of this video to everything I've used in this video and in this build. What's nice about this is that you got a main shutoff right here for all of your electrical. The solar will always be on because that'll always be trickle charge in the battery there. Down here I installed a little inverter as well, 1000-watt inverter. Works great for if you're just trying to, you know, charge your laptop or plug in some sort of device that needs that 110. So back to this. Once you get your main power on, you got your interior lights. I put 4 LED lights up in there. Looks great. We installed a roof fan vent in here. Switch for that. Right here, fan. Water pump. And fridge. It's so simple, and everything is right there. A couple USBs as well as a cigarette port. So the other really fun thing about this build that I really enjoyed building, and it was a idea I came up with kind of halfway through the build, was these 2 little seats. We didn't know what we were going to do here yet, but I came up with this idea with these 2 little seats. And underneath the bed here, I built a little pull-out tabletop. It's actually a little tough to pull out because I put a magnetic catch on it. There we go. So, how sweet is that? We got a nice little table set up right here for some coffee, or you can fit a couple plates on here, bowls for breakfast, anything good like that. I thought it was a great little idea. I offset it to the left a little more because you want some room to kind of squeeze by here when you're getting in. And I think it's a great little touch. I matched it with my classic rainbow color tops in here. So I'm heading back to Australia, unfortunately. But my friend will be finishing out this build. He's gonna put some flooring down, mattress, and some nice curtains and whatnot. Maybe paint the cabinets, as I said, put a couple little drawer pulls on. But I just wanted to show you guys my most recent build, and if this gave you some good ideas, that's kind of what it's all about. I love posting these videos and hearing the feedback for ideas that I give some people, or different things that people tell me about. It's great little van community, and I love building. So see you on the next video, and keep traveling.